This video is to explain the cells unit on BlendSpace. Like the planets unit, part of it will be taught to you directly by me, part of it will be learned independently by you. I know that last year you learned about plant and animal cells. This year you'll be asked about them again on TCAP or 10 Ready, but you'll need to know a couple more details. Also, you might have had some trouble recognizing different parts of the cells last year. Not to worry, I have some tricks that'll help you. One of the things you'll be expected to do is look at a cell and recognize its parts. It seems pretty simple, but there is a slight problem with this. For example, if you were at RCS in 4th grade, this picture of an animal cell may look familiar to you. This is the same picture in our 5th grade textbook as well. Look at the plant cell. It should look familiar to you also, which brings us to our problem. Do you think it's likely they'll use this very cell picture on the test? No, it's not likely. Cells have lots of variety and they look very different based upon the organism they're from as well as their job or function. Our first activity will give you an idea of what I mean. So you're going to need a chart for this first activity. It's in my room on the back counter in a folder marked Cells. Pause the video while you go get it. Now, here's the website we're going to be using. It's a Discovery Ed website, so if it asks you to log in, the username is Rogersville and the password is student. So you can see that it has 3 different kinds of organisms: plants, humans, and one-celled organisms. That's right, there are some organisms that they're only made up of one cell. Compare that to the trillions of cells that make up an animal. We sometimes call these organisms unicellular. You can go in any order, so I'm going to start with plants and click on stem cells. These are the cells that are found in the stem of a plant. Notice that it brings up a box of information about it and a fake microscope view of the cell. You'll use this info to fill out the form. On our form, we have a place to put a sketch of that cell. I would just draw the circle from our fake microscope viewfinder and then draw what you see inside. You can color it if you want to. On the right of our chart, you see a column titled What These Cells Do. That's the info from the box that popped up. Don't write it down word for word, just paraphrase it. Say the same thing, but in your own words.